So, hi everyone, today I'll be making a DIY mannequin for CPR. So I have my t-shirt, have my bottle for the sternum, I have my rubber bands. Yes, I don't really have the rubber bands, so I'm using hair knots. I have the other parts that I'll be using to stuff into the mannequin. You can either use those bits and pieces, or you use some piece of clothes that you could use for your mannequin. So let's get set. Remember, you need 3 pieces there, so that's going to be 1, 2, and the third part, which is the base, which we're going to tie up. First things first, we're going to set in our bottle into the mannequin. So that's done. Center of the chest, that's what it signifies. So next up, just to be on the safe side, we're going to have to tie off both arms. So that's going to be like a chest. Remember, again, that's done. 1, 2, and sternum. So next thing, let's pack in the chest. So that's going to give us that rise like the victim's body. So that's it. Fixed in the stuffings, which will hold my bottle, still in the center here. I'm going to put the last part, which is to tie it up. And that's it. You have your DIY mannequin. Again, it's all in the name. Do it yourself. So that's my mannequin head. If you want to, you can leave that out. That's the arms on both ends, which I've tied up. That's the chest with the sternum directly in the center, where you're going to put your hands for your compressions. Thank you very much.